Hi, I'm Ocean and this is Liz, and we're here to talk about the Beauty of Belonging retreat that's happening at the end of March. And I'm so excited to welcome you to the Craidelona Lodge. It is just spectacular accommodations and a really beautiful space to stay. And
yeah, we've taken over the whole property for this retreat, so we have it all to ourselves to enjoy the whole time. The main lodge space that we actually have our yoga classes and our dance party and our breath work and our meals together is this beautiful, beautiful open space. Looks out over the ocean. For those who are not from the Vancouver Island area or have never been here, the ocean is just wild and alive. Whales and sea lions and eagles and birds of all sorts. So it's just a beautiful, beautiful space that we'll be looking out over for the whole weekend. The rooms are everything from cabins to within the lodge, and we've got at this time just a couple rooms left that are available on site. If you are coming from abroad and you want to actually stay in the area, there's some other beautiful Airbnbs that we can connect you with, and you can drive and join us for the daytime, be with us all day, enjoy all of the benefits of the retreat, and then head home to your bed if you're close by.
mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And the other thing that I'm really excited for is the lots of space and time to explore the property, which includes a sauna and a hot tub and a beautiful path that's all the way down to the water, the ocean. So you get some lots of time and space to explore and just really take in the beauty of Vancouver Island.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, so come stay with us March 24th to 26th at the Beauty of Belonging retreat. The link is below, so you can register there. See you soon.